In this video, I will be showing you how to fix couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. Let's get started. First, I start on the Google homepage and type YouTube into the search bar, then press enter. I click on the YouTube search result to open the website. Once YouTube loads, I go to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down list, I hover over Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. Here in the extension settings, I see my active extensions. I toggle off the switch for NordVPN to disable it, and then I also turn off the other extensions to make sure none of them interfere with YouTube. With those disabled, I switch back to the YouTube tab. Now, I go back to the top right corner and click the three dots menu again. From the menu options, I select Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, I click Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security section, I scroll down and click on Third-Party Cookies. From here, I click on See All Site Data and Permissions. In the list of site data, I locate youtube.com and click the trash icon next to it to clear its data and cookies. A prompt appears asking to delete site data and permissions, so I click the Delete button to confirm. After deleting the data, I switch back to the YouTube tab and click the Reload button at the top to refresh the page. Once YouTube reloads, a notification pop-up appears in the top left asking to show notifications, and I click Allow. Finally, I move down to the bottom right taskbar and click on the Wi-Fi icon to open network settings. I click on the Wi-Fi arrow to view available networks. I select a different Wi-Fi network from the list, check Connect Automatically, and click Connect. Once connected to the new network, my connection is refreshed, which helps resolve location verification issues when accessing YouTube Premium. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.